In this video, I'm going to show you how to copy an airplane into the proper folder in X-Plane. This is going to be an S3 Viking subhunter. So we're going to copy the files that I downloaded from a forum called x-plane.org. You can create an account there and download all kinds of cool airplanes to fly. x-plane.org. We're going to do this in X-Plane 10. So what I'm going to do is grab this folder of files that I downloaded from the x-plane forum.org. Notice it has an aircraft file, all the paint files and everything. So we go back, grab that entire folder, copy it. And then we're going to go to the folder that has our X-Plane install, mine installed on the desktop, in a folder called X-Plane 10, and then we're going to go into the aircraft folder. I'm going to paste in those files that I downloaded that contain the S3 Viking airplane. So minimize that, and now we're going to launch X-Plane 10. We're going to run it in demo mode. And we're waiting for it to load. So I'm going to pause the video while it... Alright, the first thing we're going to do is we do want to do a demo mode. And since we're in our aircraft, we're going to get our headphones on. And I'm going to load the S3 subhunter airplane. So I'm going to choose this folder and choose the aircraft file for that. And then I'm going to go and say I want to do an aircraft situation with a carrier cat shot. So here we are on our carrier. We're inside the cockpit. Let's do a little walk around. So I'm going to go view and chase. And that puts us outside the airplane. So we can scroll around here. In fact, it's looking kind of cloudy, so let's fix that. Looks like we've got good visibility. It looks like the sun's setting, so let's change the time of day to noon. And we're closer to April. There we go. So here's our airplane sitting on the aircraft carrier. Now let's scroll around here a little bit. So here we are waiting to do our catapult launch on the aircraft carrier. Let's go back in the cockpit. I'm going to push W for that. And then I'm going to down arrow to get access to the throttles. Put the throttles up to full. Arrow back up. Notice it says release brakes to launch. So let's get our controller going. Push the B button to launch. There we go. That's a carrier.